letter A. This is uppercase A and this is lowercase a. Today we will learn words starting from letter A, and we will also learn sounds of letter A. Let's start. A. A is for apple. Apple.
A is for apple. Apple.
A is for aunt. Aunt.
A is for aunt. Aunt.
A is for alligator. Alligator.
A is for alligator. Alligator.
A is for apron. Apron.
A is for apron. Apron.
A is for aquarium. Aquarium.
A is for aquarium. Aquarium.
A is for avocado. Avocado.
A is for avocado. Avocado.
A is for almonds. Almonds.
A is for almonds. Almonds.
A is for apricot. Apricot.
A is for apricot. Apricot.
A is for aeroplane. Aeroplane.
A is for aeroplane. Aeroplane.
A is for ambulance. Ambulance.
A is for ambulance. Ambulance.
A is for X. X.
A is for X. X.
A is for arm. Arm.
A is for arm. Arm.
A is for astronaut. Astronaut.
A is for astronaut. Astronaut.
A is for abacus. Abacus.
A is for abacus. Abacus.
A is for arrow. Arrow.
A is for arrow. Arrow.
Apple. Apple. Aunt. Aunt. Alligator. Alligator. apron. Apron. Aquarium. Aquarium. Avocado. Avocado. Almonds. Almonds. Apricot. Apricot. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Ambulance. Ambulance. X. X. Arm. Arm. Astronaut. Astronaut. Abacus. Abacus. Arrow. Arrow.